Hello friends! Today I'll show you how to make most delicious, sweet, healthy pumpkin mousse. Just stay with me. First I'll prepare the pumpkin, and I always prefer to buy fresh pumpkin and bake it. You could always buy store-bought canned pumpkin, but the taste won't be the same. After that, coat them on all sides with olive oil and bake at 400 for about 45 to 1 hour. And I always use a little bit of black pepper, but you could omit this step if you don't want it. Then after it's completely baked, I will take the pumpkin and transfer it, all of it, into a large bowl, and then use a hand mixer and blend the whole thing. I use how much I want it and keep the rest in the freezer. Here I already transferred 2 cups baked pumpkin, and now I'm using date. This is a very soft date. Try to find a quality that's very soft. I'm using 10 dates. You could use more if you want it. And always use room temperature pumpkin and date. Then add 3 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, mix until the date completely dissolved. Then at the very end, add 1/3 cup chopped walnut. Finally, I will top it with shredded coconut, but you could use whipped cream with little bit icing sugar. It will taste great. Now, testing time. It's sweet, it will melt in your mouth. It tastes like a chocolate. I wish you will try it. And thank you for watching.